head if it wasn't for me.
Okay, so customer came in and she bought a small kit of the products for her son. This is the hair milk. This is the shampoo. And this is the oil. Don't ask the question. They are different. And this is the turmeric. Misty, it was supposed to be three product. Misty, I told her 3 products.
For my kid?
Yeah, it's 3 products for the kit.
What's she giving me?
She gave you this.
Oh yeah, let me have it. Come on, be nice.
No.
Come on, let me choose then. What's this? Hold on.
She's
Come on. Matter of fact, put it on my tab for next time. Just leave it alone. That's my travel pot.
Jesus.
My travel pot.
Look, you're making it look bad. The tropical punch, oil. She making me look bad, y'all.
Just tell them the oil not included.
And the chlorophyll ginger lime shampoo, and she also got the hair milk. This is our hair milk. All right, Marlena, come get your bag. Did you put a Suds N Skin label on the bag, Misty?
And also, don't let me forget my juice.